bells, jingle all the way.
Hello everybody, happy Sunday. It is Vlogmas day 2. We're just getting ready to go to church. Let me show you what I'm wearing. Oh, hello, it's me. This is just a dress from Zara with a sweater from H&M over it and hand-me-down shoes from my mom. Thanks, Mom. We're singing in the choir, doing choir practice for Christmas performance all morning, so I haven't been vlogging at all. And now we're about to go to church again. I won't be vlogging at all again, so I'll see you guys after. And I gotta finish Vlogmas day 1. It's gonna be a busy Sunday. We are post church and choir practices and everything else. We're getting ready to eat dinner. Family's coming over like they do every Sunday. We're just hanging out. Let's go.
Making our Christmas memories.
Pepper goes nuts when Courage comes over.
It's not stressful.
Pepper, you're so weird.
Hey, calm down, little sweetie.
She's never going to.
No, you're not gonna come down.
She won't be calm until an hour after Courage leaves. When she realizes he's really gone. For good.
It's only letting me catch some blood shots.
That'll be fun.
Good.
Oh my gosh. She does this every single week.
What?
Daddy,
Every time is like the first time, huh, Pepper? Just can't beat a love like that. So I was just talking about France, so I just wanted to show you his beautiful plate of spaghetti.
Are you gonna eat
Happy Sunday.
Mi piace la pasta.
that? Is a lot. I hope you don't waste it. A lot of spaghetti, brother.
Whoa, Daniel, you got more spaghetti than me. Whoa, whose plate is that's Daniel's plate?
Daniel's
I
plate.
thought that was Daniel's plate.
It's Dawson's little tidy plate.
That's true. Dawson always has tidy plates.
Yeah. His food is very spaced.
What are we watching tonight, Mom?
I don't know. It's got to be a Hallmark movie, though. I think.
It's a Netflix Hallmark movie.
Oh, is it?
It's Christmas Prince Part 2, A Royal Wedding.
Oh my goodness. I'm ready.
Did you like the first one?
I didn't see the first one.
Oh, neither did I.
So we're just trying to catch up.
We'll just be playing catch up.
Where they were like, you know, completely.
We're so excited for our Christmas movie.
Richard Bevan Charlton, King of Aldovia.
I was gonna hold the camera.
Okay, ready, go.
Okay, go. Keep going. Dawson just got asked to Sadie's. They asked, literally his winter formal dance was yesterday, and he's already getting asked to Sadie's, which is in the spring. Because he's popular or something, it's so weird. But I just did half the dishes. I'm gonna see if one of the boys wants to do the rest, because I don't want to do all the dishes by myself. So we're gonna see what they can do. Where are the cookies? Did Mom give the cookies to the, can you hear them outside? I think she's giving the cookies to the teenagers. What the heck? I wanted those cookies.
I thought you were talking to yourself.
No, I was talking to the camera.
Well, you know, I didn't see that when I first walked in.
Yeah, so it's all right. I forgive you. Mom, are you giving away all our cookies? Are you giving away all of our cookies?
I'm gonna share it. Let's each have one.
Okay, fine. I know who you love more.
We are a family, as real as the family I was born into. That's my Captain Hepburn impersonation, Mom. It's pretty good, huh?
You can use some more.
Have you heard her talk?
Yeah. I heard her talk before you were even born.
I heard her talk when you were a twinkle in your mother's eye.
Before you were twinkle in your mother's eyes, silly. What are we doing, Mom?
Before you turn the lights off, we have to open them up and get all the little chunks. What is this? Sparkin'. Sparkin'?
It's this cool new fad, Daniel, from like 1970.
You light it up and smoke it like a cigarette.
No way, Jose.
Got a lifesaver.
Okay, so these are wintergreen lifesavers, and it really doesn't work with anything other than wintergreen lifesavers as far as I remember.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get these like smallish ones. Okay, now shut the door. Okay guys, shut the door. Now you're gonna wanna look in the mirror. We're gonna try this. I haven't done it, so I hope they still work. Okay, turn off
What are we doing?
I'm gonna crunch it. Now watch in my mouth. Okay, ready? Okay.
I saw nothing.
I saw it. Nothing so far. Let me try again. I don't know. This is old.
I want your mouth to light up like a Christmas tree, Mom.
Well, you could see little glowy sparks.
I saw it. It was
in the past.
it was green.
I don't know if the formula is different though, so I just gotta try it.
I saw it.
Did you?
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
It was
okay.
kind of greenish.
Okay, I'm looking in the mirror. I'm trying to. Oh, I crunch really hard.
Oh!
You did it! Don't squirt, Daniel. Don't want to get anything wet. Why do you do that?
I thought it was Daniel's or Dawson's spit.
I know, Daniel, stop.
Gross.
What's wrong?
You poked my eye really hard.
Oh no.
In the dark, I couldn't see
Drama.
you. I'm sorry, honey.
Oh, poor Daniel. Don't make fun of him.
Disrupted and started me when I just felt the water.
What are you doing?
Okay, come on, wash it.
You don't even have any nipples to hold. Stop! Don't touch me! I don't trust you! Get off me!
Barely comes
Thanks for saving me, Pepper. She doesn't want to cuddle with you.
Come here.
I'll take it. Daniel, are you okay?
Yeah, I got poked in the eye deep by Mom's pinky.
Looks a little bit red. But, I mean, there's some lifesavers if you want to go freshen up your mouth in the
thank you.
meantime. Okay.
Had an involuntary reaction.
Come here, Pepper. Yeah. 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 She's gonna go to every person. 3 times the scratches.
Pepper.
It's like she's talking. Oh. Don't bite me. What are you doing?
So you guys, somebody needs to research that now. Why the wintergreen lifesaver spark?
Oh.
What makes that even happen? What's in there?
I don't know, Mom. It's a mystery.
Yeah. Awesome, you have a whole fun topic you can talk to your date about now.
Finally, an icebreaker.
Now you guys can go in the bathroom in the dark and you'll think you're gonna kiss her and then instead you can give her a lifesaver. Be like, you really needed that.
When you do that, like
It's like-
all these little pieces, it's kind of messy. But at least it's pitch dark when you're
Mom,
doing it.
Listen to this.
What does it say?
The methyl salicylate molecules absorb the ultraviolet shorter wavelength light produced by the excited nitrogen and re-emitted as light of the visible spectrum,
See?
specifically as blue light. Thus, the blue sparks that jump out of your mouth when you... That's it.
When you
I feel like I need a translator for
Dot,
that.
dot, dot.
chomp on the... You're supposed to push more. The rest of it.
Nice try. Alright, good night, guys. see you later. Actually, I need my computer. What am I doing? I have to edit this vlog tonight. 10 a.m. posting. Like and subscribe. See you tomorrow, guys. This is where I'm ending this vlog. Gonna go edit it.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Hey you guys, it is day 1 of Vlogmas. We'll see how we do. I'm kind of nervous about it, but I'm excited too. I think that daily vlogging is gonna be fun and challenging. I just woke up